Hello everyone. Yesterday, you discovered the diversity of engineering area. Today, we will do our best to give you more information on civil engineering, and we will present you what's happened on the Ohio River Bridges Eastern Crossing project. Let's start with civil engineering. What do you think if you could have the expertise to build a school that could withstand the earthquake, a road system that puts an end to chronic traffic jams, or a sports stadium that offers everyone a great view? As a civil engineer, your job will be to oversee the construction of the buildings and infrastructure that make up our world. Highways, skyscrapers, railways, bridges, and water reservoirs, as well as some of the most spectacular and high profile of all engineering feats. Think of the world's tallest building in Dubai or the Channel, the 31-mile-long tunnel beneath the English Channel. Civil engineers are fond of saying that it's architects who put designs on paper, but engineers who actually get things built. Civil engineers can be involved in versatile projects such as ensure safe drinking water by managing a community water supply, develop an art museum that provides state-of-the-art protection for paintings, cut down on airport delays by designing a better runway system, design the structure of one of the world's tallest skyscrapers, or build cheap, sturdy shelters for victims of hurricanes and flooding. A video from the American Society of Civil Engineers will now be streamed. In this video, you will be able to listen to the point of view of 3 civil engineers on what they do. Now, we will give you an overview on what's happened on the Ohio River Bridges Eastern Crossing. First, who are involved on this project? Walsh Construction and Vinci Construction Grand Projet set up a joint venture for performing together the design and the construction of the Ohio River Bridges Eastern Crossing. Another joint venture has been set up between Bilfinger, Walsh, and Vinci for the operation and maintenance of the project. The construction stage started in 2012 and should be completed at the end of 2016. And the operation and maintenance stage will last 35 years from the beginning of the construction. This project is particular. Actually, this is the first availability-based transportation public-private partnership project in the states of Kentucky and Indiana. This new kind of projects bring all together the public side of a state with private companies to create new infrastructures necessary for the development of communities. Now, we will show you where this project is ongoing. Actually, the Ohio River Bridges includes 2 projects. One in the downtown of the city of Louisville, and one other in the eastern part of the city. The Ohio River Bridges Eastern Crossing project is the highway, which will allow crossing the Ohio River and linking the 265 in the eastern part of the Jefferson County. On the map you can see in red color, this is the Ohio River Bridge's eastern crossing. And you can see the location of your school, Jefferson High School, Charleston High School, or Washington High School. So, what is under construction? In Kentucky, there is a twin tunnel, which has been planned to cross the historic Drew Manor Estate. As the highway should be planned as straight as possible, a couple of bridges are under construction to cross existing roads and streams in the area. Moreover, a cable-stay bridge is under construction to cross the Ohio River. And in Indiana, bridges and interchanges are under progress to link the highway to the existing 265. As a picture may be worth 1,000 words, a 4-minute video will show you the main parts of the project. In more details, in Kentucky, we are building 4 bridges and a tunnel as shown on this slide. On this picture, you can see the entrance of the tunnel on the foreground, and it exits on the background of the picture. It highlights that the historical area Drew Manor are preserved of any impact that an highway can have. In September 2014, the tunnel breakthrough has been completed. It means that the tunnel goes from its start to its end under the Drew Manor Estate area. Now, on this other picture taken this summer, you have an overview of the construction which is under progress along an existing road. Then, to cross the Ohio River, a cable-stay bridge is under construction. This bridge stands up on 2 concrete towers which extend approximately 300 feet above normal pool elevation. These towers are currently under progress and will become the dominant visual element of the bridge. The bridge deck will be in steel concrete composite to minimize the weight of the bridge. And finally, this bridge will be supported by 104 polarized strand stay cables. Here is a picture of the Ohio River taken this summer when the preparatory works of the foundation of the bridge were under progress. And here, a picture of the progress of the Ohio River Bridge in December 2014. You can see that the towers of the bridge appear out of the river. And finally, this picture, taken in December 2014 too, gives you an overview of the equipment and materials which are used to erect the tower of the Kentucky side. Now, we will see in more details what's happened on the Indiana side. In Indiana, we are building several bridges to link the highway to the existing 265. Moreover, interchanges are necessary and under progress to link our project to existing roads in the surroundings. The management of traffic is an essential part of the works under progress in Indiana because our project has to be performed by taking into account existing roads. And at the end, the management of traffic in the area has to be efficiently managed. Here is a picture taken this summer, which gives you an overview of a bridge under construction to keep the traffic ongoing over the future highway. During the duration of the works, deviations of roads are set up to allow us to build these kind of bridges. Thank you for your attention, and Wood Vinci Construction wishes you a good day.